this smartwatch feels and looks expensive without an expensive price tag. Show you notification from your WhatsApp, Facebook. If you'd like to know more about it, stay tuned. What's up everybody, Naresh here, welcoming you back into another video where today I have got my hands on this Let's Smartwatch, which come with the 1.3-inch color touch screen, fitness tracker and heart rate monitor. Now here on my channel I tend to review product in more detail, starting with the features, following with the unboxing and how you're going to configure the device with your mobile phone or whatever equipment is required, following with the demonstration, and by the end of the video you will have an idea that the product which you are looking at is for you or not. So with that all being said, let's get into it. Now usually most of the time the features of the product can be seen around the packing, but here is a proper generic packing. So to know all the feature, I have left a link in the video description for you, which is an Amazon link for the smartwatch seller. Now in terms of feature, it comes with the fitness tracker in there, 14 sports mode, smart reminders which will make you sure that you will move around quite a lot. Then the best thing which I like the most about this smartwatch is a 10-day plus battery life if you charge it for 2 hours only. Now let's have a look what comes with this Let's Fit smartwatch. So here we have everything which comes with this smartwatch, starting with the multi-language supporting user manual explaining how to connect the smartwatch and do everything about it. One warranty leaflet, USB charging cable cradle, which is very easy to use. Just push in your smartwatch in the cradle. There we go, straight away made and done, and you can simply remove it by pushing it out. Now in last but not least, we have our smartwatch, which comes with the interchangeable belt as well, which can easily be removed from the back, which you normally see in all premium smartwatches. Now in last but not least, smartwatch, which look and feel from the quality a premium product without breaking your bank. A belt of the smartwatch is very easy and straightforward to interchange, and you can have a choice exactly same as an Apple Watch. Now on the back of smartwatch we have a heart rate sensor which record your heart rate 24/7 and the charging point. There on the left side of the smartwatch you have a button, let you enable the sports mode of your smartwatch, and on the right hand side the button to enable the settings. Small information leaflet is available on a screen which is 1.3-inch. Let's peel it off. Now to power the smartwatch you press and hold the setting button. You're going to see straight away hello on it and off it goes. Now right on the home screen of your smartwatch you're going to see date, time, day, wireless connectivity, battery life, as well as how many steps you have taken, how many calories you have burned and how many miles you have run. Now if you have any notification on your smartwatch, scrolling from top to bottom you're going to see them right in here, or to see more detail in terms of fitness, scrolling down to top where you're going to see number of steps you have taken with respect to the target, as well as run and the calories you have burnt, and all weekly total available down there. Now to access the settings of your smartwatch, if you scroll from right to left, where you're going to see the information about the sports, heart rate, relax, alarms, music controller, timer, settings and sports record. Now within the settings you're going to see option for the dial, dimming option, long press, about the watch and shut down if you want to. Now with respect to the home display there is a choice as well to change. If you go into the settings, and here you have got an option for the dial. If you press on it, where you got the selection of multiple home displays, you can select any one you want. Let's suppose I like this one at the moment of time. Once you selected it and off it go, it's done there guys. Now if I go into the home screen, and that is my display, which looks pretty funky to be honest with you. Now if you'd like to change it again, go again down into the settings, within the dials, change it whatever else you want to. Now to access the sports mode of your smartwatch, you need to press and hold this left hand side button for 5 seconds. You're going to see the timer running on your screen, and there we go. Now in here is quite many things going on. Your heart rate monitor will be straight away started, and off you go. Now if you'd like to disable this one, you need to press and hold this right hand side button, confirm that you would like to exit from it, And that's it. Now, connecting your mobile phone with the smartwatch is very easier and straightforward. The only thing you need is an app which is available in Google Play Store if you are on Android, and available in iOS Store if you are using iPhone. Now in Google Play Store, search for the application called VeryFitPro and install it. Now once application is successfully installed, you can open it right from there. It will straight away start the search for your smartwatch, and once it's found it, it's going to ask you, would you like to connect to it? Then if you are happy with it, click onto the confirm and bind device. You're going to give the notification on your smartwatch as well. Now you need to make a profile that what you are, male, female, whatever. Once your profile is created, app will connect with your smartwatch and update all information. Now this VeryFitPro app is very user friendly, and also there is a possibility that you will find few extra options in Android or in Apple. Now at the home screen, you're going to see information coming from your smartwatch, where you're going to see the calorie and how many miles and what activities you have done in throughout the day. Then you have got a detail option which will lay them out with respect to the time and a week if you want to. And then you have option for the device, where this application would help you to get the notification from your smartphone straight on your smartwatch. Let's suppose when somebody calls you, you can say yes, I would like to see the alert for that, and you can allow it. After alarm, you got the notification. Let's suppose if I would allow the notification and I'd like to see what application can send a notification on my smartwatch. I want Facebook to send me the notification. I want WhatsApp to send me the notification, as well as a LinkedIn and Instagram, and kind of everyone, actually, being honest with you, just for the test purpose. Once you selected them, go back and it will save it away. And if there's any notification arrived, you will get a notification on your smartwatch as well now. Now after notification, we have option for the music control. By using your smartwatch, you can control the music which you're playing on your smartphone. Then is a heart rate detection. Now in here, you can also set the manual heart rate detection or auto. I will leave it on auto because it's always better. Then you got an option of wrist sensing. So whenever you twist your wrist, actually you want the smartwatch to come on. That's a good option, always on, being honest with you. A healthcare option and a more. You can also update the firmware of your smartwatch by click of a one button. And let's go into the more option, where you're going to see the activity of your display and so much more about your smartwatch. The application kind of helps you to work very nicely with your smartwatch. Now this is very important that you should know that VeryFitPro application will be also running in the background. If you'd like to stop it, you can need to only close it by force close. Or if there's any problem with respect to the notifications are not working with your smartphone, you need to go into the notification and make sure they are enabled actually. So when they are enabled in here, they'll be working great without any problem. Now application is running fine, no problem whatsoever, and the watch is in my wrist as well, and you can see how quickly it responded and showed me the time straight away to the point. Now let's check the performance of heart rate sensor, which has come to about 81. That means my heart is running faster because I'm making this video, guys. Let's check out again. Well, that's very good. There is a consistency in heart rate, which seems to be working fine. Now I just had a notification which came on my mobile phone from the WhatsApp, and it just displayed straight away. Now to see this notification, I have to go on my mobile phone, but at least I have got the notified by using my smartwatch. There is a message for me to read. So it all works great as well. And you can see that the watch looks smarter on my hand as well. Now charging this smartwatch with any USB 5-volt adapter is very easy and straightforward, and lock it in. Once placed, you're going to see the notification on your screen that it is started to charge. Well, now it's time to conclude that what I think about this smartwatch. Honestly speaking, guys, this smartwatch works like a doddle to me. It looks and feel premium without paying premium price. If somebody sees it from the far, it looks like an Apple Watch, to be honest with you. I have been asked by so many people that, are you wearing the Apple Watch? Well, mate, I can't afford it, but whatever it is, I'm just wearing it. All right. So it looks fantastic. It works great with your mobile phone, gives you all the notification, what else you want, for a very competitive price. That would be all from my side, guys. If you'd like to know more about the smartwatch and how it is working and everything in future even, let me know in the comment section below, or let me know what smartwatches are you using so I can add them in the future videos as well. So that will be all, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. Shall see you soon into another one. Bye for now.